Hey there, this is Alistair from GetTerms. In this video, I'm going to show you the validation tools that we have built for our Google Consent Mode integration. You can find these in the dedicated Google Consent Mode tab of our dashboard. Now, assuming that you have Google Consent Mode enabled, you should see our validation tools below. Once our banner is installed on your website, our app will start looking for errors in your installation. For example, if you install our banner in the wrong position. Any errors will display here under installation errors. The two validation tools we've built with our app are console debugging and installation diagnostics. Console debugging will send information to your browser's developer console so you can debug any installation errors there. I'll show you how this looks. So we've enabled console debugging. If we go to our site where our banner is installed and we click F12 and then navigate to the console icon here, we should see a bunch of information relating to the installation of our banner. Any errors will appear here and also how to resolve them. In addition to this, as I mentioned, any errors flagged in the console will also appear under installation errors. But what if you've installed your banner and you just want our tool to notify you proactively if there's a page on your site where consent mode isn't being configured correctly? This is where installation diagnostics comes in handy. So if you enable this, we'll start to send you a daily digest of errors that we found on your site in an email. By default, this will be sent to the email attached to your GetTerms account. A compiled list of errors will be sent to your email once a day. Now, if you've resolved an issue, you can of course mark it as resolved like so, and it will be placed here under resolved errors. Errors marked resolved won't be included in the daily digest emails. If our scanner finds these errors on your site again, if after resolving an error, our scanner finds the same error occurring on another page, the error will be marked unresolved and placed under installation errors again. So what do you do if there's a page on your site which you have no control over and there's always going to be installation errors flagged? Well, for this, you can select ignore error. As with resolved errors, ignored errors won't be included in the daily digest email. However, unlike resolved errors, if our scanner finds them again, they won't be removed from ignored errors. Here's an example of the daily digest email that GetTerms will send you automatically when you've enabled diagnostics. As you can see, this widget has 3 installation errors, and we can click review issues to take us to our dashboard where we can dive deeper into each of them and follow the instructions on how to get them resolved. We also have dedicated documentation to walk you through all of the possible debugging issues that you might run into, and of course instructions on how to resolve them. That's everything for our debugger. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via our support channels. Otherwise, have a great day.